What are you? Hi. What are you doing?
I'm a bee.
You're a bee. What's the bee say? And what do you make?
Honey.
You make honey?
Yeah.
Is it delicious? Let me see.
Ooh. I got to see them. I made chocolate.
You made chocolate?
Yeah.
Wow, you must be a pretty special bee.
I got this special treat. A very big special treat for you. Ooh. What's that?
It's a special mirror.
What's that?
Lots of mirrors.
Is that Ellie?
That's Ellie.
Is that more Ellie?
That's more Ellie.
Who's that?
I don't know. Who is that?
Ellie.
Is that a bee?
No, it's Ellie.
Oh, it's an Ellie.
Oh, who is that?
I don't know. Do you see that bee way up top?
Yeah.
Oh, he's big.